Okay, so in this question, we're looking at the big O time complexity for this function. So this has while loops, and it's very similar to for loops. Don't let it scare you, even though it's a little bit different, but for time complexity, it's not really much different. So let's look at our first while loop. We have I is less than n. I in this case is 0, so we're going from 0 till n, which is some input that we have brought in. And we can see at the bottom that I is incrementing by 1. So we have I, and it's going to increment by 1, by 1, by 1, by 1, all the way until we reach n. So this is going to be n times. So we see at the bottom it says by 1, by 1, by 1, all the way until we reach n. So we know that the first while loop is running n times. Now let's take a look at the second. So we have j is less than n, so this is going to run from j to n. In this case, j is initialized to 0, so it's the same as 0 to n. And j is also incrementing by 1. So we have plus 1, j plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, all the way until j is less than n. So this is also going to run n times, so we can multiply these together since it's nested. So we end up with a time complexity of O of n squared.